Now let's take a look at removing the cylinder block components. The first operation consists of removing the accessories fitted to the engine, including the crankshaft pulley and the engine flywheel. This relates to removing the sump by slackening all the bolts in the opposite direction to the procedure used for tightening, then the front and rear crankshaft seal housings. The final operation prior to removing the crankshaft consists of removing the oil splash plate, then the oil pump. Now let's look at removing the crankshaft. The first stage consists of removing the connecting rod cap bolts and the connecting rod piston assemblies. First, you must mark the connecting rod caps, then the crankshaft bearing caps, using an indelible marker pen. After marking, you must remove the connecting rod piston assemblies, then the crankshaft bearing caps. And finally, the crankshaft. Once the crankshaft is removed, each crankshaft bearing shell must be marked because the class may vary depending on the bearing.